rotation. There we go. Like that.
Private party upstairs on 3 tonight.
Inside.